Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a really intelligent system, looking at its architecture. And, the name FNBR, it honors the founder, Federico Nichols Bairizo. His vision was for systems that, well, think and collaborate. So our mission here is to understand how this tech goes beyond just being a tool, how it becomes like a thinking digital partner for you.
Oh.
Okay, so let's unpack this core idea, the intelligent provider system. We're talking about a pretty big shift, right? Moving from simulated stuff to real-time analysis, real decision-making. It's less like a shiny show car and I guess more like a Formula One racer, making calls right there in the middle of the race. It uses these specialized AI providers.
Exactly. And what's really fascinating, I think, is how these providers automate some seriously complex thinking. So take the task generation provider. You give it something big like launch the Q4 marketing campaign. And instead of you having to break all that down, it just generates the whole plan, dependencies, priorities, even figures out resources. It basically automates the strategic planning part, which, saves you a ton of mental effort, the real grunt work.
That's huge. That's way beyond just simple automation. Okay, but planning is one thing. What about security? That's got to be critical in something this dynamic.
Yeah.
How does it protect itself?
Right. That's where the security analysis provider comes in. It's really impressive. It's not just reactive, waiting for a breach. It's actively predicting things, preventing them. It's constantly scanning for weird patterns, like maybe 3 failed logins here, then boom, a successful one from, another country entirely. When it sees something high risk like that, it flags it, isolates the session, might demand multi-factor authentication, and bang, alerts the admins instantly.
Wow, okay. So your platform isn't just sitting there with walls up. It's actually alert. It's watching, anticipating threats almost before they happen, like a partner. So with all this smart activity going on, let's talk foundations. Trust. How is your locally stored data kept safe in all this?
Yeah, absolutely critical. We treat that data like a digital fortress. Seriously. We use AES 256-GCM. It's the gold standard. The U.S. government uses it for top secret stuff. And the GCM part, that's key. It creates this kind of digital seal. If anyone tries to mess with even one bit of that encrypted file, the seal breaks. The system just won't open it. And it logs the attempt. So yeah, not just locked, it's tamper-proof.
Impressive. But the lock needs a key, right? What about that key? How do you stop someone from getting their hands on it, digitally speaking?
Good point. There's no actual key floating around to steal. We generate it using PBKDF2. And we use, get this, 100,000 iterations. It makes brute force attacks basically impossible. You'd need centuries of computer time to crack one password. Plus, and this is important, we add a unique random salt for every single user. That means even if somehow 2 people pick the same password, their data is still totally separate and secure because the salts are different. Pre-calculated attacks like rainbow tables. Useless. So you see, security isn't just layered on top. It's woven into the very fabric of the system, your IP, your operational data. It's genuinely safe.
Okay, intelligence check, rock solid security check. But how does it all tie together? How does the system, remember things, learn from everything it does?
That's the Smart Notebook API. That's the central nervous system, the long-term memory for the whole project. And it's smart because when you save anything, it doesn't just store it, it processes it. It creates what we call a byte representation. Think of it like a unique mathematical fingerprint or DNA for that piece of content. This lets it do incredibly fast semantic searches, finding connections that go way beyond just matching keywords.
Right. So what does that mean for you, the person using it?
It means the system might link, say, customer churn with maybe high support ticket volume or even revenue risk, even if those exact words never appear together in the same document. And the API adds all this rich metadata like entities, sentiment, complexity. It turns flat documents into this dynamic knowledge graph. Multi-dimensional.
So it's not just storing data.
Exactly. The really profound thing is that the system doesn't just do things, it evolves. It's constantly building this corporate knowledge base, learning on its own. It stops knowledge from getting lost when people leave, and it finds these hidden connections, stuff a human might never spot.
What a journey we took there. So we've got proactive AI doing the thinking, military-grade security, locking it all down, and this learning knowledge base that actually understands and grows.
Which really leaves you with an important thought, doesn't it? This system isn't just about holding on to data anymore. It's about generating actual wisdom, anticipating what you need, and truly understanding information. It really changes how you interact with your digital world.
And we're not done yet. Join us next time for another deep dive. We'll explore how FNBR's collaboration agents step in to mediate really complex problems. Think data-driven compromises like sorting out those classic marketing versus engineering challenges. You definitely won't want to miss that.